In my workplace and in my campus and my community, I do find a lot of different people. I was born in a small town where I was one of the only white boys who was in my class. So it's not something I've ever been unaccustomed to. But on school campus at Lone Star, there's all sorts of people who might not be as privileged as others who go to school there. So it's just literally anybody that's had a little bit of trouble can still find a place at Lone Star. At my workplace, it's usually there's a few little Mexican ladies who cook there, and the best thing about them is it kind of teaches me to have to communicate in a way that I wouldn't regularly communicate, and I learned how to I'm learning a little bit of Spanish and learning how to communicate with them, even just in ways that we're both speaking different languages, but we find ways to make it work. And my community, it's the same way. We live in Kingwood, and there are a lot of people who speak Spanish, and just the different cultures that we have kind of come together a lot here, in my opinion, because it's just natural. But the biggest place for me would be my workplace at La Madeleine, and just the difference in the way we talk and the languages that we use kind of brings us both, like, the little ladies learn how to speak English better, and I learn how to communicate better with a few things in Spanish. And I definitely do communicate differently with them, because it's more, we focus more on it. When you talk to other people, it's almost like, if you go out and talk to people who just speak English, like my managers or friends, you don't put as much effort into the conversation because you are expecting what you're saying to get across. Whenever you talk to someone who doesn't speak English, you have to make sure what you're saying is landing. Thank you.